Sleepless Beats.
She said it was all in my head. Late nights when I go to bed. Some nights I just can't rest. No, you're not like the rest. Baby, I know you're just stressed. When these thoughts pile up in my head, I just can't seem to let you go. I just can't seem to let you go. Wake up and I'm losing hope. Look around, I got nowhere else to go. Got no one by my side, no one by my side. I ain't got a ride or die, I ain't got a ride or die. If we tried again, would you wanna be mine? Or would you stab me in my back, turn around and lie? Took me a minute to realize what was hiding behind your eyes. Baby, you know it's not right. Turn around and face the light. I know it's hard to look back and reflect on your life. I know you're having trouble in your mind, but I know it'll be alright. I don't see the point of choosing sides. I just want you to be mine. If you and me were together, maybe we could touch the sky. I swear our love would be something divine. Whenever I look in your eyes, I forget all about the lies. I just think about the times all the time. All the times I held you close, all the times I never wanted to let you go. It sucks the feelings come and go. It's kinda like rain turning to snow. I guess it was all in my head after all.